Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.3, Problem 9. This is Section 2.3, Problem 9. It says write the fraction in simplest form, and we have 24 over 36. So you want to find the largest value you can that will divide into both the numerator and denominator evenly. And at a quick glance, I can see 2 divides into both evenly, 3 divides into both evenly, 4 divides into both evenly, 6 divides into both evenly. And those would all work and they'd get you started, but to do it in one step, the one to use is 12. 12 divides into both evenly. 12 divides into 24 twice, and 12 divides into 36 3 times. So we have 2/3. Now, if you didn't notice the 12, let's say you only noticed the 2, you'd eventually get to the same place. So let's start this again. I can see they're both even, so I can cut them both in half. Half of 24 is 12, half of 36 is 18. They're still even, both top and bottom, so I can cut them both in half again. Half of 12 is 6, half of 18 is 9. Now, they're not both even anymore, but they're both evenly divisible by 3. So 3 goes into 6 twice, 3 goes into 9 3 times. So I get to the same end result of 2/3. It's just that if you don't think about all your options, instead of doing it in one step, it takes 1, 2, 3 steps. So you still get the right answer. 3 steps isn't bad either.